Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. And concerning the address linking for the OEX withdrawal, people are not sure if they did it correctly, and this is because even after linking the address, you will still have this link withdraw address. You still have this thing here, and due to this, people are not sure if their address have been linked or not. So in this video, I want to show you a different way, a different method to check if your linking of the wallet address was successful or not. So in order to know if it was successful, I mean the linking, all you have to do is to go to your OEX app. So let me log into my OEX. Okay. So once you are here on OEX, you just have to click on Hub. Okay, you click on Hub, and then when you get here, you click on OEX. So let me click on that, and once you can see this, if you can see this, hold on. Once you can see OEX points, okay, and you can see your balance below OES like this, it means your address was successfully linked, okay, and therefore you have no issue, so you are good to go. But if you are not seeing none of this, if you are not seeing these OEX points, then maybe you should have to go back to the process and do it again, because you didn't do it correctly, or the linking was not successful, and therefore you have to do it again. Okay, but once you are seeing this, once you can see OEX points, and you can see this balance right here. Okay, for me, I am having 67.7 OEX balance, or OEX points. Okay, your own may differ from mine. So once you can see that balance from here, it means your withdrawal address was linked successfully. So that's what I wanted to show you all, so that you can know if you have done the correct thing or not, if you did it right or not. We have just 2 days to link our withdrawal address. For those of you who are still waiting for the last hours, please go and do it now. There's no time to waste. So thank you for watching this video. Share to others, and please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.